$6 trillion. That's the number every trader on Wall Street is staring at right now. And tonight, we find out if Nvidia actually gets there. Here's what's really going on, and what you should be thinking about right now. $6 trillion in market cap. That's the threshold Nvidia is gunning for when earnings drop tonight, May 20th. Markets have been bleeding for 3 straight days. Rising bond yields are the culprit, pulling capital out of growth stocks and into fixed income right now. But here's the kicker. Futures are ticking higher heading into the close. Traders are positioning. The smart money is moving. Nvidia's last reported market cap was sitting just south of $6 trillion. One strong earnings print, and we're talking about the most valuable company in the history of human markets. Data center revenue is the number that matters most tonight. That single line item has been the engine behind every Nvidia rally this cycle. Guidance, forward guidance, could matter even more than the actual print. Wall Street doesn't just buy what happened, it buys what's coming. If Nvidia misses on guidance, it won't matter if they beat on earnings. That's how brutal this market is right now. But here's what nobody is saying about this yet. The 3-day losing streak wasn't random noise. Rising yields are repricing the entire AI trade, not just Nvidia. The market is quietly asking a question it hasn't asked out loud in 2 years. What if the AI build-out takes longer to monetize than expected? Tonight's report doesn't just set Nvidia's price. It sets the valuation framework for every AI-related name in your portfolio. AMD, SMCI, ARM Holdings, even Microsoft. One number from Nvidia's CFO could re-rate the entire sector. Up or down, before the opening bell tomorrow. 3 things worth thinking about right now. Not advice. Educational perspective only. First, know your data center number. Consensus is expecting substantial year-over-year growth. If the actual print comes in below expectations, the gap matters more than the absolute figure. Second, watch the gross margin. Nvidia's margins have been a bellwether for supply constraints. Any compression there signals a problem deeper than 1 quarter. Third, have a plan before the open. Earnings gaps move fast knowing your thesis. Hold, trim, hedge. Before the market opens means you're trading your plan, not your emotions. $6 trillion. It's either happening tonight, or the conversation gets a lot more complicated tomorrow morning. What do you think this means for your portfolio? Is Nvidia hitting $6 trillion tonight? Or does this market need more time? Drop it below. Let's talk about it. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always consult a qualified advisor before making any investment decisions.